So we talked today in Team Brief about something called the Sustainability and Transformation Plan, the STP. So what's that? Well, that's a plan that's going to be produced across a bigger area than just North West Surrey. We're part of what's called the Surrey Heartlands STP, and that involves ourselves, Royal Surrey, Epsom Hospital and the 3 CCGs that serve those areas. What we're going to be doing through the STP is thinking through those services that we need to plan on a bigger scale than just one hospital. So for example, we're starting to turn our minds to services like urgent care and maternity, where we know there's a need for a bigger order of change to create specialist services across Surrey. One of the first things we're working on through the STP is stroke services across Surrey Heartlands and across Surrey. So we'll be working closely with our colleagues at the Royal Surrey to think about how we create a hyperacute and an acute stroke unit for our part of the world, and that's going to really improve the outcomes for patients.